we've all been asking, and now we've got the largest cybersecurity conference for newbies, the Cyber Starters Conference 2022. All the knowledge you need to start and enjoy your cybersecurity career in a conference with the theme, the emergence of cyber workforce. This conference will allow you to network with like-minded individuals, gain the experience, have a flex while learning. You just name it. And that's not all. You get to have inspiring conversations with experts from all around the world. With less to pay for early birds, basic tickets are free. Standard tickets are 3,000 Naira. Premium tickets, 5,000 Naira.
The higher the price, the better the opportunities.
Live on Saturday, the 28th of May, 2002, at the Nile University of Nigeria, Airport Road, Jabi, Abuja. The Cyber Starters Conference 2022, the portal to exploit and beat the cyber war.